Welcome back to another video. In this video, how would you like to make straight 40 candlesticks, 35 to 40 candlesticks? I'm going to show you a strategy right now. This is part 2 of the first video I made. But this time around, we are going to be using the Impress Magic Band as a gauge. Okay, as a gauge. All right. Now, this is boom 1000 on a 5-minute time frame. So whenever you see that um, your MACD touches your RSI, expect to take a trade up to the lower Impress Magic Band. Expect to take a trade up to the lower Magic Band. Okay, now let's look at this as an example. Look at this as an example. It touched here and look at here. Oh, sorry, this is boom. It touched here. Okay, it's not valid. It touched here and look at here. All right, you just take your sell straight to the what? The lower band. Now it didn't get down to the lower band here, spiked up again and then came down to the lower band somewhere here. So you can see. So your lower band should be your target, but you mustn't really actually wait for that. If you have gotten about 8 to 9 candlesticks on your 5-minute time frame, you are good to go. Just simply close the trade. Just simply close the trade. So now let's get more examples so we can follow. Look at this one here. Look at this one here. It touched level 90 here and look at it here. From here, came down here, went up again, and then finally came down to hit your target here using the Impress Magic Band. Can you see that? So the Impress Magic Band is like a gauge to gauge it. You understand? Now look at this one as well. Look at this one as well. It touched level 90, and as it touched level 90, look at it where it touched it. You enter your trade and put your lower band as a gauge. You can see after I came back, because of this support here, it spiked up and came down and spiked again before finally what? Heading down. How many candles? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Whoa, 17 time multiplied by 5. Wow. So you can see how you would have hit it big. Okay, so those of you who have the Impress Magic Band, you can also use it as a gauge. Okay, don't you know, when you install the Impress Magic Band, it shows you a thick red line. You can customize it to how you want. Look at it. That's why I made it thin here, so I can easily see through the candlesticks. I see through the Impress Band to the candlesticks. Okay, this is very powerful and a very powerful strategy. Very powerful strategy. Very powerful strategy. Let's go for more. Let's go for more. Look at here. You always have your mobile phone, so you can always work this out easily. Look at it, touch it, yeah, look at it. Straight down to your what? To your lower band. How many candlesticks? For those of you who love to hold trade, you can use a lower lot size like 0.05, you know, or yeah, I think that's okay, 0.05 to hold a trade for long. Okay, to hold a trade for long. That's almost a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 61 hour. Almost 1 hour, 30 minutes. You understand? Until you got to your target. So I think this is okay. All right. This is okay. So to your lower band, this is the gauge. Okay, that's the gauge. All right. So let's go for more examples. Let's go for more. Let's back test and see more. You must ensure it touches your level 90 on the boom and 10 on crash. Look at this one here and look at it here and look at the lower band was met. You see, very easy. So you can't use your lower band on mobile, okay, but you can use the part 1. Part 1 is okay on mobile, but this part 2 I think is for your PC, even when you're on a laptop, okay, so that you can use the Impress Magic Band as a gauge. Now the Impress Magic Band strictly works with overbought and oversold markets. That is why you can see that when the market got to the lower band here, it has to reverse back up, and when it got back up here, it has to go back to the lower band, signifying oversold. Look at it, you can see signifying over what? Oversold markets. All right, let's move on. Let's just take one more. You have to wait for a spike. A spike is what always takes the market to those levels, level 10 or 90. Look at this place. Okay, look at this. Went straight down to lower band, and look at here as well. When it touches level 10 right here, you can see this place right here, and it came straight down to the lower band. Okay, so the band is used as a gauge for you to take your target, gauge the market, and know how far the market will go. The wider the band, the further the market goes. Okay, so thank you for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and as well join our Telegram channel for to encourage our new Telegram channel. We just started it and it's growing gradually. All right, thank you so much. You want to contact me, you look down at the description, you see my contact. You want to get our reversal indicator, very powerful, very powerful. You can as well do that. You can as well do that. Just contact me or check the description. Very powerful. Look at it. Very powerful. Once it shows you, you enter. This is a 15 minutes time frame. Let me go to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, you can see this right now. All right, you can see this right now. Anyway, I've made a video concerning the indicator already, so you can just check it out on among the videos we have uploaded. So thank you very much, and please do not overtrade. I always tell people, don't overtrade. Protect your capital, protect your profit. You get a little profit like $3, $4, close. Wait for another opportunity. If you cannot catch the spike trend, if you cannot get the whole spike trend using our spike load, wait for the first spike. If the indicator appears here and it spiked, take that one and go. Wait for another opportunity. That's what I'm saying. The indicator mostly works well when it is crash market. You'll find a lot of spike on a crash market. Like this is coming down now. Okay, but on the upper trend, you have less what's it called? Less signal. And let me say less signal, and then many a times in the signal that comes from that upper trend will drag you to loss. What I mean to loss, as in even when it brings a signal, okay, it takes some time before it spikes. And when it spikes, it drops a very little candlesticks there and goes on again. Why? Because spikes are meant for the trend of that particular index. When it's crash, it's made for to catch the spike while market is crashing. That's what spike indicator are meant for, not for trend. Trend is like trading this one now. You can see spikes don't catch spike detector don't catch trend. They catch spikes. Do you understand? So you have what's this indicator? What's it called? Your RSI, your stochastic that tells you the overbought oversold zone. So when your market get to this level, any signal you get from the spike, 100%, you get it straight up. Okay. So that is how it is. That's how it works. You must learn to understand. If you're using any indicator, understand it very well. Check it out on demo before you go with your live account. Don't just pop into your live account. A lot of people send me messages. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? I'll blow my account. I say, okay, get my indicator, and I show them how to use it. Most especially this reversal indicator. Now, newbies, I advise newbies to go for the trade against spike indicator, not spike, because you will not understand how spike works. Okay, spike can blow your account if you don't understand it. Go for the trade against spike indicator, and that will do you real whole good. All right, thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and have a wonderful time. Bye.